Welcome to part 8 of Blogger AdSense tutorial series. You are going to learn how to fix valuable inventory no content and valuable inventory under construction issues on Blogger website after being rejected by Google AdSense. It's been a week since I submitted a review request in Google AdSense account from part 7 of BAT video. Google AdSense sent me an email reply at noon yesterday. This email stated that Google AdSense had reviewed my Blogger website, but my site is not ready to show Google Ads. In order to know why Google AdSense rejects your website or Blogger review application, you can check the status of the review application inside the AdSense account sites list. For your information, there are 4 types of AdSense site status according to Google AdSense. The first status is requires review, or not reviewed as I showed you here. This status means your website hasn't been reviewed by Google AdSense yet, and you have to submit a request review for AdSense to start the review. Click the link on your upper left side and learn how to submit a website review application in Google AdSense account. I will show the other 3 AdSense site status using my footage now. From the sites list page inside the AdSense account, the status of the Blogger website I submitted to review changed from getting ready in gray color to needs attention in red color. This needs attention status informed me that I have to fix some issues or AdSense policy violations to get Google AdSense approval. Meanwhile, other Blogger sites that already get Google AdSense approval in this site list have a status of ready in green color, which means that I can show Google Ads and earn some money on these Blogger sites. If your website is rejected by Google AdSense, just click the box and press Show Details here to know what is the exact policy violations on your AdSense rejected website. For example, Google AdSense rejected my Blogger website because they found 2 policy violations on my site. These 2 policy violations are valuable inventory, no content, and valuable inventory, under construction. By the way, Google AdSense changed the name of valuable inventory, no content to Google served ads on screens without publisher content from October 2021. Google AdSense rejected my website with no content issue. It may be because only a few of my Blogger posts were showing on Google search results. I was not sure what was happening back then even though all of these Blogger posts had been crawled and indexed using Google Search Console in mid-September. Besides, I found out that all sitemaps except the RSS feeds have no index coverage icon. It was weird as these sitemaps were submitted altogether in mid-September. Maybe this is one of the reasons why my Blogger website was rejected by Google AdSense with the no content issue. Typically, having more than a dozen Blogger posts with high-quality content that have been crawled and indexed by Google is the solution to fix valuable inventory, no content issue completely. But now I have to wait for Google to recrawl these Blogger posts to determine whether it can fix the no content issue. Click the link at here to learn more about valuable inventory no content, aka the Google served ads on screens without publisher content in this video. Since I already have a YouTube tutorial video of the no content issue, I will discuss more about how to fix the valuable inventory under construction issue in the rest of part 8 of the BAT video. After a few rounds of inspections, I found that there are many possible causes for this policy violation on my Blogger website. And I will show you how I fix these potential causes of under construction issues next. First of all, you have to inspect your website in detail, including every blog post and page, to determine the potential issues that cause Google AdSense to reject your review application with under construction. The first issue I found on my Blogger website is that I forgot to put Contact Me page on the page list. It is simple to fix this small issue. Just open the Layout tab on Blogger dashboard, then search for the page list or Pages gadgets inside the Blogger layout. Click the pen icon on the Pages section to edit the Pages list, and then press Add a new item at bottom to add the Contact Me page on this list. So all important pages are showing on my Blogger website's page list now. The next potential cause of under construction issue I found on the Jaxx Blogger site is the incomplete About Me page. This sentence I wrote on this important page is not appropriate because I didn't provide the contact form under here. Besides, I think it is better to remove my YouTube channel link on Blogger site before getting Google AdSense approval. So this is the latest version of the About Me page on my Blogger website. Apart from that, the basic description and link I put inside the disclaimer page on this Blogger website are inaccurate too. I find that the wording used on the terms and conditions page was placed on the disclaimer page, which means there are 2 TNC pages on my Blogger site. So I just changed the wordings and the Google Docs link used in this important page here to fix this possible cause of the under construction issue. Did you notice what was wrong when I changed the Google Docs link used on the disclaimer page? If you have no clue about what was wrong, just look closely at the titles of these important documents. These important pages belong to windyclover.blogspot.com instead of this Blogger. So I created another folder in my Google Drive to write these important pages under the name of Jaxx. Now I have updated the links of these important pages on my Blogger site, and let's move on to the next potential cause of the under construction issue. Apart from checking important pages on websites, you also have to inspect the website layout and widgets to find any potential causes of AdSense under construction issues. For example, when I tried to write a message on the Contact Me page and send it to my Gmail, I discovered that this contact form is not working at all after I pressed the Submit button down here. I thought something was wrong inside the Blogger theme at first, so I entered the theme section here, and then pressed the triangle button inside this orange box. After that, I tried to restore the theme I had backed up in mid-September, but the blogger could not restore it. Therefore, I clicked the Edit HTML under the triangle button inside this orange box and check what was wrong inside. When I tried to save my edit, it showed that widgets AdSense 1 and AdSense 2 have some errors. So I just shrink down the HTML codes for these two widgets and delete them once and for all, and I can finally save the theme after that. But the actual problem was that I didn't put a contact form widget on the sidebar, and that is why the Contact Me page is not functioning all the time. After I added this widget inside the Blogger layout, this important page is finally working after adding this contact form widget. I just did a final check on these important pages. My contact form was functioning properly, and other important pages have the proper Google Docs links with the name of Jaxx Blogger site too. In order to prevent valuable inventory under construction issues appearing on my Blogger website again, I decided to remove some of the links inside my blog posts and fix some grammar errors. You may be wondering why I removed some links here, even though internal linking is one of the search engine optimization strategies for Blogger websites. But from my perspective, the fewer the links you have, the higher the chance to get Google AdSense approval for a website, even if this is not the best SEO practice I should do on my website. You should always remember, if your website has any broken links or dead links, Google AdSense will probably reject your website review application with valuable inventory under construction issue or site behavior navigation issue constantly until you remove all the broken links on your website. So that is why I removed these links on my Blogger website as a precaution in case they are not functioning, although these links were properly functional back then. In addition, you may use some online websites to check for any dead links on your website by searching Dead Link Checker on Google Chrome. These websites work fine with my Blogger websites, but I always use this particular broken link checker tool to help me detect any dead links on the Blogger site. Just copy and paste your website URL here, fill in the security code, and then wait for a few moments to get the full result. Once the result is completed, it will show you which links are broken or dead links on your site, and the source of the broken links. So you can rectify or remove these broken links or dead links as you like. Just make sure none of them ever exists again before submitting another review application to Google AdSense, and then you might have a chance to get Google AdSense approval. Back to the sites list inside Google AdSense account. If you think you fix all the potential causes of AdSense policy violations, you can submit another request review application to Google AdSense by checking the box beside I confirm I have fixed policy violations on your site and press request review. Remember that it takes a few days to 2 weeks for Google AdSense to review and approve or reject your website, so let's wait until I receive the next reply from Google AdSense. The following part is a summary of this Blogger AdSense approval tutorial video. Based on my past experience, valuable inventory no content and valuable inventory under construction issues are the most common issues for any website, including Blogger site, especially those that have just been created for 1 to 2 months. Because it takes some time for Google to recognize, crawl and index your website and blog posts after you complete the setup on Google Search Console and successfully submit blog post URLs using it. However, as long as you can provide high-quality content on your website, you don't have to worry about any of these policy violations. That's all for part 8 of Blogger plus AdSense tutorial series. Feel free to ask me something in the comment section if you still have any doubts about Blogger and Google AdSense approval. You are going to learn how to fix 2 Google AdSense policy violations, which are Google-served ads on screens without publisher content and valuable inventory under construction issues on Blogger website again after Google AdSense replied to me in part 9 of the BAT series. Click the watch list on your left to watch the next part of BAT series, or click the watch list on your right to learn more about Google AdSense and the ways to fix policy violations on Google AdSense. Goodbye and have a nice day.